Hey everybody, I wanted to spend a little bit of time telling you how to do this summer assignment, and I'm going to link this right in this call out here so that everybody knows what the heck to do and how to do this thing. Now, AP Chem is interesting because it builds off of everything that we've already done in Honors Chem, and so what I've done is I've included all the Honors Chem material right here with the exception of stoichiometry, because a lot of the stuff we did in stoichiometry didn't have videos. It was more like hands-on stuff. So that's maybe, I don't know, I don't want to say tough, but that's what it is, because and stoichiometry is maybe one of the more important things. So you'll notice that this is color-coded, and at the time that I'm recording this, I haven't completely finished it, but that's okay. I can still go through everything that needs to happen here. Every section is going to have to be completed, every color-coded section. You don't have to do all the Honors Chem stuff, and you don't have to do this unless you want to watch me again do this. And so, but everything from the gray, purple, green, yellow, maroon, and then blue, and then these two things in here, the lab, you're going to have to do those as well. You don't have to do the lab. These are actually just preparing for the lab, because right when we get back from summer vacation, we're going to do these two labs in class. So let me show you what's going on. I'm going to use this bonding as an example of what to do. So if you want the slides for the section, I haven't done this in honors chemistry, but if you want the slides for what I am doing in my videos, you can get that in every single section. You see that there's usually in the upper left-hand corner, you can get that. Okay, feel free to do whatever you want with those slides. You can print them, you can not print them, you don't have to use them, you can use them. But then if you click on each box, a link is going to come up. Okay, so I'll click on this link just so you see. And so then this link is for coordinate covalent bonding, I think, right? Is that what it was? Yes, coordinate covalent bonds. So you're going to watch that video, and then, as soon as that loads up, there it is. Okay. And then it's going to be me. Short video, but nonetheless, there it is. Okay. There I am again! Yay! Okay. Anyways, so you watch the video, you take notes, maybe along on the slides. You take your own notes. That's important, though. You want to have those notes to refer back to when you're doing things. And then if you have questions, you can write them down as you're taking notes. You can pause the video, you can stop the video, whatever you need to do. And then you also have to fill out this. This is a WSQ. So most of the videos that I have are going to have a WSQ. And because I'm the author of this, it may not show up as the fill out version of it, but it does. Oh, there it is. Okay, and so here you can see the things that you're supposed to fill out: first name, last name, so I know you did. Okay, and then whether you've done the notes, and then this is actually good content, not good content, but a good feedback question. I want to know if you understood the stuff that was in the video, like, hey, I really got this, or I don't have it at all. I mean, if you're like, I kind of get it, that's in the middle, but that gives me an idea if you really understood it or not. And if you want to go back, you can watch the video here, or you can just go straight to the WSQ, because I have links to all those things right in the WSQ. Okay, so now within this section, if you're feeling like you went through 1, 2, 3 things really well, one of the things you could do is you could go to this thing, okay? And so you'll notice that it's underlined. Anything that's underlined in the summer assignment is something that you can click on. And so this is the section heading, other types of bonding, and we're talking about coordinate covalent bonds, network solids, and metallic bondings. But this gives you kind of the supplemental or extra stuff that you can do. Okay, you don't have to do it. It gives you also the same material in maybe a different format. And so here you can see, and I will fix that already here. These are the videos. Here's the, I'm pointing to my screen like you guys can see me point to my screen. But there's the, here's the Google Slides, which again, same thing. Here's the videos and WSQs. And then once you're done, you can get the assessment. And then there's additional resources that, again, I'm going to add to. But here's, if you want the, look up coordinate covalent bonds in the book that you have at home to maybe read a little more about it, like you didn't get it. You can look on page 364. There's a digital copy of the book. You can go here. You can look up. There's no information about coordinate covalent bonds in the digital copy of the book. But if you want to know about network solids and about metallic bonds, you can go here. Okay, and I'm trying to give you the best the best I can here. So it's on page 503. That's 503 of the book. But if you open up the book, the file page is a little bit different because it's a PDF, and then there's all sorts of introductory pages in the book. So you have to actually go to page 542 in order to find that information. Okay, but the digital copy of the book is here, so you can find all that stuff. Okay, and that's always going to be in the underlined thing here. Okay, and then the last thing, at least for this, every section is going to have some sort of assessment that is going to be part of your grade for the first marking period. And that's when you click here, and you're going to open up this, and this is going to give you the assessment. Okay, and now for this assessment, I get it. I'm not watching you, so feel free to pull out the notes and stuff that you need to use. Whatever, the only thing I ask is you do it on your own and not as a big group of people. Okay, so I would like you to make sure that you're doing your own work and not like posting the answers to some sort of, website so that everybody can do this really easily and straightforwardly. Okay, but here it is. Okay, you can see that this is a Google form that actually is a quiz, right? And it says there are 5 questions for this particular one, and if you don't answer correctly, you have to start all over again, and so that's kind of a big pain in the neck. Okay, now so that's what each section has, and so you can see that these informational sections are all around here, where you're going to do acids and bases, and you're going to have to do WSQs, which mainly are here, and then the assessments. I think the assessment for this guy is actually the activity. Here you can see the assessments here. So a lot of this stuff is in here. So feel free to click around if you have any questions. You know where to reach me. I hope your summer is going awesomely. Have a great day.